के नाम से डरा मत करो।
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration shortcut methods. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral 2x plus 7 by 4x plus 5. Okay, this is in the form of linear 1 by linear 2. So now I explain very easy method. Shortcut method. Integral ax plus b dx by cx plus d. Okay, it will going to be a by c into x minus ad minus bc by c square into log of denominator. Okay, a by c into x minus ad minus bc by c square into log of denominator, where ABCD value is 2, 7, 4, 5. Okay, therefore, so what is the answer? 2 by 4. 2 by 4 into x. 2 by 4 into x minus AD minus BC. 2 5 is 10. 4 7 is 28. C square, where C value A, B, C, D value. C square value 16. Log of denominator. What is the denominator value? 4x plus 5. Okay, write constant plus k. Okay, it will going to be 1 by 2 into x. So minus into minus plus. This is 18 by 16. Log of 4x plus 5 plus k. This is answer. Okay, now explain question number 2. So integral 7x minus 15 by 4x plus 11 dx. This is in the form of linear 1 by linear 2. Okay. Shortcut method. Integral ax plus b by cx plus d. It will going to be a by c into x. Okay, a by c into x minus ad minus bc by c square into log of denominator. What is the denominator value? Cx plus d plus k, where k is integral constant. Okay, now where ABCD values A7, B minus 15, C4, D11. Okay, it will going to be 7 by 4 into x minus AD minus BC. 7 11 77 minus BC. 4 minus 15 is minus 60. Okay, upon c square, 4 square, log of cx plus d, where cx plus d value 4x plus 11 plus k. Okay, it will going to be 7 by 4 into x. Okay, minus this it will be 137. Okay, by 16 log of 4x plus 11 plus k. Okay, this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next model. So integral dx by 3 plus 2 cos square x. Okay, now explain shortcut method. SM shortcut method. So integral dx by a plus b cos square x. In the statement, denominator having cosine function. Okay, we have k by a into tan inverse of k tan x plus c. Okay, where k is root under a by a plus b, where k value root under a by a plus b. Okay, where AB value is a constant 3, where a is equal to 3 and b is equal to coefficient of cos square x, b. So b is equal to 2. First we have to find k value root under a by a plus b. It will going to be 3 by 3 plus 2 5. So k value root under 3 by 5. So what is the answer? K by a. So 1 by a, 1 by 3 times of, where k place in, we should write root 3 by 5. So tan inverse of, where k value we have got root 3 by 5 into tan x plus c. Okay, this is answer. So 1 root 3 get cancelled. Okay, it will going to be 1 by root 3 into root 5 root 15. So tan inverse of root 3 by root 5 into tan x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, moving to next question. Integral dx by 6 plus 4 sin square x. Okay, in case of sin square x, we substitute sin square x formula 1 minus cos square x. We have sin square x formula, write 1 minus cos square x. Okay, it will going to be integral dx by 6 plus 4 times of, write sin square place in 1 minus cos square x. Okay, okay, integral dx by 6 plus 4 10 minus 4 cos square x, where AB values, A value 10 and B value minus 4. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to minus 4. First we have to find K value. What is K formula? Root under A by A plus B. So root under 10 by 10 plus minus 4. It will going to be root 10 by 6. Okay. So what is the answer? K by A. 1 by A times of 1 by A. 1 by 10 times of K value. We have got root 10 by 6 into tan inverse of, where K value root 10 by 6 into tan x plus c. Okay, it will going to be 1 root 10 get cancelled, 1 by root 10 into root 6 root 60. So tan inverse of root 5 by 3, this is 2 5 2 3 get cancelled, tan x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, moving to next question. Integral dx by 9 sin square x plus 16 cos square x. Okay, integral dx by, we have sin square x formula 1 minus cos square x. So 9 into 1 minus cos square x plus 16 cos square x. It will going to be integral dx by 9 1 is 9 minus 9 cos square x plus 16 cos square x. It will going to be 7 cos square x. Okay, we have shortcut method, integral dx by a plus b cos square x. It will going to be k by a into, so tan inverse of k tan x plus c, where k value root under a by a plus b, where k is equal to root under a by a plus b. Okay, where ab values is a value 9, here b value 7. First we have to find k value. K is equal to root under 9 by 9 plus 7. Okay, 9 by 16, this is 3 by 4. Okay, what is the form? K by a. 1 k value 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 1 by a, where a value 9. So 1 by 9. So tan inverse of k tan x. K value 3 by 4. 3 by 4 tan x plus 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 is cancel. So 1 by 12. 4 3 is 12. 1 by 12 tan inverse of 3 by 4 tan x. Okay, now explain other shortcut method. We have integral dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. It will going to be 1 by ab times of tan inverse of a by b tan x plus c. Okay, where a square value 9 and b square value 16, where a square is equal to 9, a will be 3, b square value 16, b will be 4. Okay, right, 1 by ab, 1 by 3 into 4, so tan inverse of a by b, 3 by 4 into tan x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, moving to next model. integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. In this model, numerator denominator having sine cosine functions. Okay. Now explain shortcut method. Integral a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x. Okay, we have ax plus b log denominator plus constant k, where a is equal to ac plus bd by c square plus d square, and b is equal to ad minus bc by c square plus d square. Okay. So where a value 9, coefficient of cos x is a in this 9, b value minus 1, and c value c cos x in this 5 cos x, c value 5, d value 4. So a b c d values 9 minus 1 4 5, 9 minus 1 5 4, not 4 5. Okay, where a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 5, d is equal to 4. First we have to find a value. AC plus BD. AC plus BD, 9 5 is 45 plus BD minus 4. So minus 1 4 is minus 4 plus c by c square plus d square. 4 square plus 5 square, 41. So B is equal to AD minus BC. AD 9 4 is 36 minus BC. Okay, this is minus 5. So denominator value c square plus d square value 41. This is 1. This is 1. AB value is 1 1. So what is the answer? Equal to AX 1 into x. B value 1 into log of. What is the denominator value? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus k. Okay, it will be a value 1 into x, d value 1 into log of. So denominator value, right, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus k. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by 1 plus cot x. Okay, we have cot x formula, cos x by sin x. So integral dx by 1 plus cos x by sin x. Let us do LCM sin x. So integral dx by sin x plus cos x. Okay, this sin x multiply with dx. Sin x dx by sin x plus cos x. Okay, integral. So 1 into sin x plus 0 into cos x by 1 into sin x plus 1 into cos x. Okay, this is on comparing integral a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x, where a b c d values, where a value coefficient of cos x, this is a, b, this is c, d. So a b c d values is 0 1 1 1. Okay, we have this is ax plus b log denominator plus c, where a value, where a is equal to ac plus bd by c square plus d square, where ac 0 into 1 0, bd 1 by c square plus d square, 1 square plus 1 square, it will going to be 1 by 2, this is, and b value ad minus bc, ad minus bc by c square plus d square, ad 0 into 1 0, bc 1 into 1 1 by c square plus d square value 2, this is minus 1 by 2. So what is the answer? Ax A value we have got 1 by 2, 1 by 2x. B value minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into log of. So what is the denominator? Sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining shortcut methods I will explain on next class.